My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the right of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as well as voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On our screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, CD, and aux. To the right, we have map, navigation, information, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.